team here in Jerusalem. People are scattered around the room. We're all wearing staff sweatshirts, so you should be able to find us reasonably easily. But you're going to get to hear tonight from some of our team members about the program itself, about our alumni program. You get to hear from entrepreneurs who have taken these steps, who joined the accelerator, who learned from the accelerator, who won in the program, who can tell you a little bit about what it is that brought them here, how they grew while they were here, what they were able to get out of it, and ultimately what they're doing today. We're also going to give you a chance to hear from mentors. We're joined by 3 or 4 great mentors, people who volunteer their time to help entrepreneurs grow and develop, and are really here to stand at your disposal and to be helpful and important members of your growth. At any point during our presentation, we'll have some questions. Let us know. Raise your hand. We want to hear from you. This evening is all about opening up our home so that you can get the sneak peek that can help you see how we can help take you to the next step. Sound good?
Yeah.
Great. So I'm going to call up Josh Gottesman, who you did hear from before, who is our senior partnership manager. He's the one who actually determines what happens every day of the accelerator. And while Josh is making his way up here, I'm going to call out the scroll behind me to give you a little bit of a taste of what the feel is here and what it is that we do with major events, with ecosystem engagement here in Israel and abroad. We are sharing some of our highlights so that you can get a sense of what it is that we do.